Hey guys, another quick tip for you if you're running Facebook ads for your HVAC business. Super important, if you want to go local, click people living in this location. Make sure to drop the pin on your local area. Narrow down your radius. That's called geographic targeting. Now go down to the detailed targeting for demographics. Make sure you target the age of your ideal customer. Go down to gender. I wouldn't go down into detailed targeting that much. Go to manual placements and just select Facebook, Instagram posts and Facebook and Instagram stories. That's it. Guys, make sure to follow as I'll walk you through creating an HVAC ad. And I post a lot of videos on this on my channel, so make sure to go there.